I've been working with Band in a Box for several years now, along with TC Helicon's product, the Voice Live Touch, and I wanted to capture this video here to kind of show how these two applications kind of work nicely together. We start off in Band in a Box. We go into our options for preferences, and we bring down the output chords. From there, the only thing we have to set here is the output channel. Let's put it to channel 5. That will send it to the through channel of Band in a Box. Okay. From there, we go into our VSTs. We go to the through channel, and we have to make sure we get Paul Warren's MIDI redirect plugin. This will allow us to direct those MIDI data from the through channel, and we'll send it. We could send it directly to the Voice Live Touch here, and we'd be done. Everything will work great. The MIDI harmonies will controlled through the Voice Live Touch, and you can start singing along as you play in Band in a Box. But I have another option here which I want to show you, and the reason for that is if we go directly to the Voice Live Touch, all editing and manipulation of the configuration on the Voice Live Touch has to be done on the panel of the instrument itself, and that's a very tedious operation. So I'm going to send the signal through a MIDI cable, a second device in my PC, PCI card, that will have a MIDI cable running from it to the Voice Live Touch. That leaves the USB free to the Voice Live Touch, so it can be used for other purposes, and those other purposes are specifically the Voice Live Touch editor here. This is an Ian Cowdery's product that allows you to do all manipulation of the Voice Live Touch, the editing, the presets, the configurations. You can examine the library. The only thing you're going to need here is make sure you're in your setup, you're on merge, and then you're on channel 5. That's what we're sending to this here. So with that, we can go into our library, and we'll see there's literally hundreds and hundreds of presets here that we can work with. With that, let's see what the purpose of all this is. If we play here, and if we look at the Voice Live Touch VST, we see that the green light means that we are connected, and that periodic blinking there, that's the chords going to the VLT. That same little light is blinking over on the VLT. So that tells us we're connected and the harmonies are being controlled. If we then come back here, we can kind of select harmonies and kind of see where things are going here. And let's give it a try.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what life is like on Jupiter or Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me.
And that's about it. So enjoy.